In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in Google Sheets. If you collaborate with others or simply want a clear audit trail of edits, Google Sheets makes it easy to see who changed what and when. In this walkthrough, we'll open your spreadsheet, navigate to the built-in version history, and review the changes in context so you can confidently monitor updates or roll back mistakes if needed. First, open the Google Sheet you want to review. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account and that you have at least edit access to the file. Version history is designed for collaborative tracking, so permissions matter. Once your spreadsheet is open and fully loaded, you're ready to proceed. Next, look to the top left of the screen and click File in the main menu. This menu houses core document controls, including options for managing copies, downloads, and, importantly, your edit history. From the File menu, hover over or select Version History. This section is dedicated to tracking the evolution of your spreadsheet over time. It's where Google Sheets organizes snapshots of your file so you can revisit prior states. Now, click See Version History. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen. Think of it as a timeline of your spreadsheet's life. You'll see versions grouped by date and time, often with the names of collaborators who made the edits. Google groups rapid, minor changes together so the list stays manageable. Here's where you can actually see the changes in your Google Sheet. Select any version in the panel to preview it. The main sheet will update to reflect how it looked at that moment, and colored highlights will show which cells were edited and by whom. Click different versions to compare how your data evolved. If a version has multiple edit groups, expand it to step through the sequence. This is especially helpful for spotting when a formula was altered, a data range was pasted, or a header was overwritten. You'll also notice timestamps that help you pinpoint exactly when something changed, which is great for team accountability or undoing accidental edits. A couple of tips to keep in mind as you review. Version history reflects saved changes, so very recent edits may take a moment to appear. If you can't access this feature, check your permissions with the file owner. And for important milestones, consider labeling meaningful versions so they're easy to find later. That's it. By opening your spreadsheet, going to File, choosing Version History, and selecting See Version History, you can quickly review the full record of changes in Google Sheets and keep your data accurate and trustworthy.